will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on message in here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you come here to auto download MMS, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here auto download MMS enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.